everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Irit. I'm a watercolor and mixed media artist based in Austria in Europe, and on my channel I share my passion for watercolor and mixed media. Today I want to talk a little bit about what I have planned for Patreon. If you're not familiar with Patreon, Patreon is a platform where you can support your favorite artist, writer, or whatever. You pledge a monthly amount of money and you get certain bonuses for that, and you can cancel at any time without any questions asked. So it's very convenient. I myself have been a patron. I'm currently a patron of Christy Glass Knits because I find this is a really great way of, you know, getting quality content and supporting in this case, kind of a textile artist knitter. And so I'm a fan of the platform and I think it's great. And I thought for this project, it would be a good fit. And so I'm planning to do a 3-month run on Patreon. After that, I'm not sure yet. It'll be the end of the year. Everyone has a lot going on. I'm just going to create and share the experience with you. So there's going to be lots of process videos, chats, pep talks for myself and for you. And that is the plan. Every month I will be curating a color story, and I don't have specific goals besides creating 10 pieces of artwork every month and 30 by the end of the year, except that I kind of want to go big in December. Now, November is my birthday month, so I'm not sure how to kind of theme that month, but in October we're just starting out, we're experimenting, we're just painting. It's just like painting. You know, if you're a writer, you have to write. If you're a painter, you have to paint. And sometimes I find myself also struggling with that, resisting. I have other things to always occupy me, like making videos for YouTube and, you know, writing my book, which is almost done. But I've really decided to make this a priority, to make art. And yes, I hope in the future to sell my artwork, maybe have one day like a gallery space, but the first step is to just make art. So I'm keeping things super, super simple, super straightforward. There are 2 tiers. One is that you pledge $5 monthly, you know, kind of like buy me a cup of coffee. You will get access to regular blog posts and images, keeping you updated on what I'm doing, early access to my YouTube videos, and probably also polls, even though in my rebellious nature, even if I ask people for, you know, the majority opinion, I don't always feel like following it. So, but I might want your input on, you know, different topics. So that's the plan. This is a tier that, you know, if you've been watching this channel and you appreciate the content that I create here on YouTube, that you can gain access for free, then that's the tier for you. You can join for 1 month, you can join for all 3 months. It's completely up to you. I really, really appreciate it, and I will keep you updated on my adventures. The second tier is the kind of all access tier, and that one is $20 a month. So again, I'm doing a 3-month run. You join in October, you will pay $20, and then at the 1st of November and the 1st of December, there'll be another charge. Again, you can cancel at any time. If you join that tier, then you will get access to everything. That means process videos, curating color stories, just like exploring different materials. I feel there's a lot to learn, and especially if you're like me, you haven't had the privilege to go to art school, it's kind of hard to find a lot of the information that you need. I mean, when you go to art school, you get access to materials, to paints, to techniques, to teachers, obviously. But then when you're on your own, you kind of have to figure things out. And there's only so much you can do by, you know, watching people talk on YouTube, which I love YouTube, but there's only so much time, you know, you have to just start painting and experimenting. So there's a lot of exploration going on because I do, while canvas is probably my preferred surface after paper, There are all kinds of other surfaces that I want to explore. I started playing with some wood boards and actually really enjoyed the process. So I'll just be sharing everything. There's already videos filmed, edited, ready to go. And once my Patreon launches, you will get access. The goal is to post every week several videos because I want to be actually painting and doing stuff. So I will be filming everything that I'm doing, but yeah, at least 4 videos a month, but the plan is to have more. And I'm only doing this for 3 months, so this is kind of like a long enough time to dive into this process, but not too long that it's just a bit overwhelming. I don't do great with kind of long-term planning, and so I wanted to put this limit end of the year, and I feel that will be a good fit for my personality. And I really, really hope that you will come and join me. If you want to paint along, then I hope this will give you the courage and inspiration and encouragement to also pursue your own art journey and create your own body of work. I've had a lot of fun just playing, kind of throwing a lot of rules out the window, or the traditional way that you see people creating art. Just like a little example, you know, if you want to paint with acrylic paints, which I do want to do, then most people use brushes, but I don't really like using brushes. So just playing with different ways of applying paint while still trying to keep my room somewhat paint splatter free. I might just give up on that idea, so we'll see how it goes. But I would love for you to join me. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below, or email me or DM me on Instagram, and you can find more details on Patreon. Yeah, I'm really, really excited about this. I feel like I've had this feeling for a long time now that I really need to create more art, and many times these other things that I do, like making YouTube videos, like finding cool products for my shop, working on the book, kind of kept me from painting for the sake of painting. And I really want to get back into that, and I invite you to join me. So I hope I will see you there. I will also send out a newsletter, but October 2nd is the date where I will be launching. You can join anytime. You can join in November if October is busy for you. And it's very, very flexible, which is what I like about the platform. And it's just a great way for me to be able to share a lot of what's going on almost on a daily basis. Weekends are off because my kids are home and they want me to do stuff with them, go figure. But during the week, there will be a lot of activity and updates. I think that's everything I want to say. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on Patreon, and there will still be regular videos here on YouTube. You don't have to worry about that. That is not changing. That's one of my top priorities, to keep making free content here on YouTube. This is another way for me to be able to do that with your support. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.